How well did your studies at university prepare you to found your startup?
I would say the studies, my background, also the training I got here at ETH was of big help. That's for sure. It first of all it allows you, or it allowed me at least, to understand the problem, break it down, try to figure out solutions. So it was really this on one side critical thinking, but then also problem-solving attitude that we learned, or mindset. This was really helpful for sure. Plus the profound studies basically in basic chemistry, which was really the basis of Spectroplast. Yeah.